In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to carefully delete OneDrive files without deleting them from your PC. This task might seem a bit tricky at first, but with a few simple steps, you can ensure that your important files are safely stored on your PC and removed from OneDrive without any risk of losing data. Let's start off by opening your File Explorer or Library folder on your computer. This is where you'll be able to access all the folders and files stored on your system, including those synced to OneDrive. If you're not sure how to find your File Explorer, you can usually access it by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar or pressing the Windows key along with E on your keyboard. Once you have the File Explorer open, navigate to OneDrive. It should be listed on the left-hand side under your PC's directories. OneDrive is essentially a cloud-based file storage system provided by Microsoft, and it easily integrates with Windows environments, making it simple to store and sync your data across different devices. With OneDrive open, locate the specific file you want to delete from the cloud. It's important that we're precise here. You want to make sure you're working with the correct file. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the right one to avoid accidentally deleting something you might still need. Next, before we click delete, we'll need to make a copy of this file. This step is crucial to ensure that a backup exists on your local hard drive. You can do this by right-clicking on the file, selecting copy, or using the shortcut Ctrl+C. Make sure that you don't skip this step, as it will protect you from potential data loss. Now let's store that copy in a different folder on your PC outside of OneDrive to keep it safe. Navigate to a local storage folder that you use frequently, or create a new folder specifically for backups. Once you're inside the desired folder, right-click and select Paste or use Ctrl+V. This action places a duplicate of your file in a safe spot on your computer. Finally, return to OneDrive in your File Explorer. Now that you've secured a backup, go ahead and delete the original file from OneDrive. Simply right-click on the file and select Delete. Rest assured your file is safely stored on your PC and still accessible whenever you need it. If you ever need to revert or access it from OneDrive again, you can simply upload it to the cloud service again. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently delete files from OneDrive without worrying about losing your data on your PC. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.